Jack from Cars That Limitless, and as you can see from the title of this video, we will be doing repairs and upgrades to our 2013 Ferrari FF. So to start the video, we're going to be doing the repairs on the Ferrari. I've got a couple of things that annoy me every single time I drive it, and they're dreadful, so we get them out the way. And from there onwards, we're going to get to the biggest part where a lot of you FF owners want to see, is we're going to be lowering the car on the stock suspension. We're then going to be adding wheel spacers all the way around on an off-size fitment, and then finally we're going to put bigger wheels and tyres front and back. We'll be showing you all three of them. So first of all, we'll be going just lowering on the stock wheels and tyres, then we'll be adding wheel spacers to the stock wheels and tyres, and then finally we'll be adding the bigger tyres that I've gone for on the Michelin Cup 2s.